What if I told you there's a way to earn up to $125 per sale promoting something every online business already needs without showing your face, creating a product, or even handling customer support? In today's video, I'm revealing one of the most underrated affiliate programs that's helping creators, freelancers, and even total beginners rake in serious cash online. And that's the Cloudways affiliate program. Why Cloudways? Simple. It's not just another hosting company. It's a premium managed cloud hosting platform that businesses already trust. And the affiliate program, it's one of the most generous and flexible I've seen. They've got 3 commission models, including a hybrid one that pays you recurring income for life. So while most affiliate programs pay you once, Cloudways can pay you again and again. And here's the crazy part. You don't need a big audience. With just a few targeted posts, blog articles, or YouTube videos, people are earning hundreds to thousands per month from this one program. Stick with me because I'm not only going to break down how this program works, I'll also show you 3 simple ways you can start promoting it today and make your first commission this week. So grab a pen because this is the affiliate opportunity nobody's talking about, but it might just be the most profitable one out there. And let's dive in. So I'll be walking you through what it offers, from the main features to the P structure, sub-ID tracking, and much more. So by the end of the video, you'll have a solid idea of whether this affiliate program is worth your time. So let's get started. First, Cloudway has some standout features when it comes to affiliate marketing. And one major plus is their super low churn rate at only 3%. So this means that only 3% of customers leave, which is great for affiliates who want consistent earnings, and they also boast a 95% customer satisfaction score for their affiliate support. And on top of that, their top partner earnings have exceeded $800,000. So that's some serious potential right there. Now, how much you can earn? So let's talk about money with Cloudways. You can basically earn some really good commissions. They offer up to $125 per sale based on their slab structure, which I'll break down for you in just a bit. What's even better is that Cloudway offers lifetime commissions, meaning you can earn recurring income from the customers you refer. So this makes it a solid choice if you're into building a passive income streams. Now, one of the things I love about the Cloudway affiliate program is how flexible it is. You can basically earn at your own pace, and they offer a customized commission structure to ensure you get paid for your hard work. And here's a cool feature. You can get a 90-day cookie period. So this means you have 3 full months to get credit for sales compared to just 30 days with most other programs. So that's a used advantage there. Now, getting started with Cloudways is super simple. Now, there are only 3 steps. First up is by signing up. So head to the Cloudway website, fill in your details, and you're ready to go. And I'll leave the relevant links in the description so you can get us started. And then the next step is to promote. So once you're signed up, you'll be able to create affiliate links and use their promotional banners, exclusive deals, and even seasonal campaigns. And lastly is earn. So this is a fun part. You can get high commissions based on how much effort you put into your promotions. And you can even customize your affiliate links, directing people to specific landing pages or home pages for better conversions. So as you can see, the Cloudways gives you a lot of flexibility in tracking your traffic. You can also add your sub-ID to the affiliate links, which lets you track specific data points, like which campaigns are working best. So this helps you optimize your strategy and make sure every click counts. So let's break down the 2 commission structures here that the Cloudways offer. So these are slab and hybrid. So what is slab structure? Slab structure is a great choice. If you prefer instant gratification, you can earn up to $125 per sale, and it's based on performance. So the more sales you refer, the more you earn. So what's cool is that you can switch between slab and hybrid if you want, which is rare for most affiliate programs. This structure is ideal for performance marketers, bloggers, and media publishers. Now, the next one here is hybrid structure. If you're looking for more long-term, steady income, well, hybrid might be your go-to. It get up to $30 per sale plus 7% lifetime commissions. This is a perfect for those who prefer passive income that's stuck up over time. So it's particularly great for bloggers, developers, freelancers, and also for digital agencies. Cloudways also offers a Tier 2 affiliate program, which means you can earn up to 10% from sub-affiliates. So even if someone else is promoting Cloudways under you, you'll still get a cut from their sales now. When it comes to payouts, you have three options here. First is people, second, add to hosting funds, third is Y transfer. So whatever works best for you. So with everything Cloudways offers, Lumrate's lifetime commissions, flexible payout structures, and excellent support is definitely a program worth considering. So, whether you're a seasoned affiliate or just getting started, their flexibility in switching between commission structures and the extra tracking options really set them apart. So, that's my full review of the Cloudway web hosting affiliate program. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.